Hi, everyone out there. Bernie Tully, personal injury lawyer from the law firm of Tully and Tully from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania at 412-281-8700. I have to say that at the beginning of all of our videos. But I just heard a really cool idea today from a client as to how to solve this issue we've talked about in the past, as to you as the injured victim getting a proper credit for treatment you may be receiving, physical therapy, chiropractic, or even a medical doctor's treatment for your injuries. How do you prove that you're actually getting treatment? Because as I've told you before, by and large, the insurance companies, the insurance industry will not consider the fact that you're doing home exercises at in the confines of your house, even if you really are doing them yourself, because they just think that everybody's lying and they don't give you any credit for it. And they say, well, how do we know that Mary Jane, your client who was injured, actually did home exercising? You get into zero credit in my experience, and just been doing this for 40 years, and that's the hard reality of it. And the dilemma in this coronavirus environment we're in is the fact that a lot of these healthcare providers are shut down. They are not taking clients or patients in, and they're just saying, well, you call us back after you're done and have a good day. So you're hurting and you want to get treatment. What do? And how do you get credit for the treatment that you're receiving, so that the insurance company, when they're evaluating your claim, give you a proper credit for it? And I just heard it today from a client. It was like a aha or an epiphany moment. And it's the, she called and she said, well, I'm still hurting. I still need a lot of treatment and I'm still injured. And I said, well, isn't your place shut down for your physical therapy? And she said, yeah, it is. However, here's the answer. They're doing video physical therapy. Now, what the heck is video physical therapy, and how does that help me with my case? Well, here's what it is. There's a physical therapist who's on the other end through Zoom or any of these modern technology places, and they're actually watching you do the physical therapy, and they're documenting it, and they're putting it in a note that'll go into the reports that John Smith, we did a video therapy session where they went through all the exercises we told them to do, and I watched it. Now that's something you're going to get credit for with the insurance company, because that's something that will go in the report, and they can then calculate that, and they feed it into their computer when they're going to come out with a range of offer for you. So unlike the fact that you promise and swear and are telling the truth, the fact you're getting this physical therapy at home, this is something that's documented. Even though you're not physically in a physical therapist's office, you're doing it at home, but they're writing it down because there's someone on the other end. It's a therapist that's documenting it. So that's a really cool idea. I highly recommend you talk to your physical therapy or chiropractor or medical doctor about this idea of doing it by video so it can be recorded, and you, as the injured victim, are going to get credit for it. Just an idea that just came up today. I hope you run with it, and I hope you use it in your case. Bernie Tully, 412-281-8700. Thank you much. Bye.